I need a sandwich for lunch.
In Petrojet,
yeah, plenty of them around. No, so what we're seeing, I think, is as you were saying, I think people have started to get a bit fed up with this idea of the evangelist. The recent TED talk that you shared with me with Sam Altman is a good example of the pushback that a lot of these evangelists.
Done now. To verify we plug in everything.
Ori. The 4 screws at the back fit perfectly, bro. 4 on each side.
Exactly, yeah.
4 on each side perfectly.